As more people use cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, it's more important than ever to have a simple and robust way to access them. Whether you're interested in investing, making payments, or using dApps, having many solutions for different activities can get very inconvenient very fast. That's where easy-to-use, all-in-one packages like Trust Wallet can help. Unlike traditional financial markets, the world of crypto never sleeps. More volatile in nature, conditions can change at the drop of a dime, so it's important to have constant access to your funds on the go. Fully decentralized, Trust Wallet gives you a simple mobile application for managing your tokens and coins, and allows you to be in full control of your private keys at the same time. With Trust, you can store the vast majority of tokens on the market, with more projects and blockchains adopted all the time. Trust's Universal Wallet, or multi-coin wallet, lets you have one backup for all your assets, simplifying wallet management. And of course, Trust works great with decentralized exchanges. Trust Wallet includes a built-in Web3 browser that allows you to explore dApps of the decentralized internet seamlessly and safely. Since blockchain is a new and complex technology, you can rely on Trust dApp Marketplace to guide you through it. It is a place for decentralized applications that meet rigorous quality and security standards and are optimized to perform at the highest level. Together with Binance, Trust Wallet is working on exciting new features, including market monitoring, custom networks, test networks, a native DEX, and a deep integration with Binance's infrastructure. The opportunities for crypto are endless, and with Trust Wallet, Binance's official wallet, anyone can be a part of it.